I'm honest, it took me a good 20 minutes to set up my station and start filming. So I know that this may take a while. This is why in this video, I want to make your life a little bit easier and actually automate your streaming workflow with WordPress and OBS Studio. Let's go. First thing I'm doing is showing you how I'm installing the Hello WpStream, which is a free theme that you can use. It's made by WpStream, the plugin, and it is specifically created for streaming websites. So I'm installing and activating the Hello WpStream theme. And once I've done that, I will click on Begin Installing Plugins. And these are the required plugins we need before we can import one of the demos. So I'm bulk selecting all of these plugins and applying that. And same thing with the activating part. So now that I've done that, I can go ahead and go to Appearance and click on Import Demo Data. And from here, if I scroll down, so this is the Hello WpStream theme, and under the theme, you'll find the 5 demos that we've created. So each suiting a specific purpose, whether you want a regular Netflix-like website, a YouTube-like platform, it's for church demos as well, and also a live shopping demo. So I'm importing the esports demo for the purpose of this video. And once I've done that, I will click on visit site. And this is how my website looks like with the esports demo. And all I have to do now, or all you have to do, is replace the actual content. So the images, the text, videos, live streams, things like that. So let's show you how to automate actual streaming. But first, we need to log into our account. So I'm logging into my WpStream account. And for the automating of this workflow, we want to go live first manually the first time. And once that's done first, so we can connect to OBS Studio, which is the tool we're using to live stream, the next time we go live, we don't have to go through all these steps again. We can simply click on start streaming and we'll be live on our site. So I'm creating a free to view channel. So this is a channel that can be watched for free by your viewers, but you can also do this with pay-per-view channels as well, subscription channels, and yeah. Now I'm adding a title, a description, and after that, I also want to add some images. So I'm selecting one of the few images that are already there, and also a trailer and a preview. So the preview is basically when you hover over the thumbnail, you can see a clip of what's going to be playing. I'm adding a featured image as well, movie ratings, media categories, tags, whatever you want to do to customize your channel. And once we've done that, I will click on publish. So I'm publishing my channel and now this will appear. So I'll click on channel settings, and for the channel settings, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find the auto turn on feature. And this is the tool that we're using to automate it. So the auto turn on feature is when you click on your external streaming app once on start streaming and it will go live. So the next time you go live and you have your server and stream key ready to go on OBS or StreamYard or Restream, you'll be good to go the next time. So I've turned on my channel and I will click on Go Live with External Streaming App. Like I said, OBS Studio. So OBS Studio is a free pro tool that you can use to live stream events, and this is what our customers mainly use. We'll go to Settings, Stream, under Service, choose Custom, and copy paste the server and stream key. So this is the most important step that we want to save on OBS Studio. So once we've added these the first time and clicked on start streaming to actually live stream on our site, that's how you connect your WpStream channel to OBS Studio. And the next time you go live, you don't have to go back to your site. So I'm clicking on start streaming and clicking on view channel, and here is my live stream on my site. I've gone live using WpStream with OBS Studio, and this is how my channel looks like, my live stream looks like. So once I've done that, I will click on stop streaming, and I want to show you how it looks like after my channel has turned off. But to do that, I have to wait about an hour, or I can manually turn it off. So that's what I'm doing for this specific video, just to show you how it works. So I'm manually turning off my channel, and as you can see, there's a notice over here that also says something about auto turn on. So let's click on OK. And once our channel is off, we will try this again by not turning on our channel. So we'll leave it off, but we just want to go to OBS Studio and it's already saved. So like in our settings, if we go to our settings, even if you close OBS Studio, you close your laptop, your monitor, whatever, and you come back to it, these details will still be saved. Click on start streaming. And if we go back to our channel, it will show the live stream. So the live stream is starting up. If I click on play video, this is how it looks like. So we're live simply by clicking on start streaming on OBS Studio, even though our channel was off. And now if we go back, you'll see that the channel has turned on automatically. So that's why it's called the auto turn on feature. Once we're done, click on stop streaming, and that is basically it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let us know what you want to see next. Bye.